Hi guys, welcome back to Flora Fun and Food. My name is Lauren and today we're going to take my homegrown jalapenos and turn them into cowboy candy. Let's go. Okay, first step is to slice all of our peppers. I have a few peppers in here like this one that is not a jalapeno, but it's going to be fine. It's a spicy, mild pepper. And I am going to leave the seeds in because I like extra spice. Some of my jalapenos ripened on the vine, but I'm still going to use them. They are going to be just fine. And it'll give it some extra fun color. Okay, now that these are all sliced, we're going to get them out of the way and get our liquid going. Okay, to our pan here, we're going to add 4 cups of granulated sugar. And this is a 2-cup measuring cup, and it is my favorite thing in my kitchen. It is just so helpful. To our sugar, we're going to add 2 cups of apple cider vinegar. And then we need 2 teaspoons of salt. And if you're going to can this, make sure it's not iodized. Alright, we're going to get that up to a boil. Alright, we are getting to a boil here. So we're going to go ahead and add our 3 pounds of homegrown sliced jalapenos. And we're going to cook these. Alright, we're going to get these back up to a boil and cook them for about 5 minutes, and then that is that. You can already tell the color is changing. They're not as vibrant green anymore. They're starting to get kind of that more dull brownish green, so I know that they are cooking. Okay, we have about 1 more minute, so I'm just going to keep kind of stirring this to make sure nothing is sticking and everything gets nice and cooked. It's a pretty pungent smell. It's spicy and vinegary, so if you don't like the smell of vinegar like my poor husband, maybe do it on a day where you can open the windows. So he's just going to have to suffer through it today. It'll be worth it though, I promise. Alright, we're going to go ahead and turn the heat off. And we'll just move it off of the heat. And get our jars ready. Alright, and I'm just going to use my 2-cup measuring cup to ladle these into my canning funnel. That was hot, so be careful. Make sure you get some liquid in there. Now, if you are canning these, you want to leave about 1/4 inch of headspace. If you were going to can these, you would put them in a water bath for 10 minutes and process them, and then they should be shelf stable for probably, a year or so. But I'm going to give these to family and friends, so I'm just going to leave them fresh and just keep them in the refrigerator. So I'm going to make sure all of them have enough liquid. Alright, so that is that. We're going to put our lids on and just let these kind of cool down before I put them in the refrigerator. This is great as a condiment, put on top of, hot dogs, chicken, whatever. But my favorite way to eat this is to pour it over a block of cream cheese and eat it with crackers. So there is our homegrown cowboy candy. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and head over to my channel to subscribe for more content like this. And I hope to see you guys again very soon. Thanks guys. Bye.